Welcome to this explainer. Imagine for a second, stepping into a massive warehouse. You see a machine over in the corner independently identifying completely unfamiliar objects, reasoning about them, and just moving them. And it's doing all of this without a single line of explicit, step-by-step programming telling it what to do. Pretty wild, right? Today, we're exploring how a Beijing startup named Galbot is doing exactly that. They are literally turning what used to be pure science fiction into physical reality. To really appreciate this shift, we kind of have to ask ourselves a revolutionary question. What if robots didn't need instructions? For decades, industrial robots were essentially just blind followers. They only did exactly what coders told them to do. They moved from point A to point B in these highly controlled, strictly mapped environments. If a single thing was out of place, boom, the whole system failed. But today, that paradigm is completely shifting. We're now looking at machines that can understand their surroundings in real time, learn from past experiences, and make complex, nuanced decisions entirely on their own.
So here's our roadmap for today. We'll start by meeting the team at Galbot, then we'll break down the anatomy of a humanoid and see exactly how they build the robot's brain. After that, we'll look at the massive global robotics race, and finally, peek into our autonomous future.
All right, let's jump right in and meet Galbot.
What's truly striking about this company is that they were only founded in 2023. In the world of high-tech robotics, achieving any kind of global recognition usually takes decades. You're talking about years of trial and error, rigorous prototyping, endless coding. So the fact that they've produced highly capable, intelligent machines in such a narrow window, it makes their rapid technological rise incredibly striking.
And despite being so incredibly young, this Beijing-based startup has a massive, sweeping vision. Their focus isn't just on single-task machines. No, they're building general-purpose, intelligent robots. The goal here is to create machines that literally think before they act, effectively spearheading China's broader national strategy for intelligent autonomous machines.
So, how do they actually pull this off? Let's break down the anatomy of a humanoid.
The absolutely crucial point here is understanding the term embodied AI. You probably hear this buzzword thrown around a lot lately, but what does it actually mean? Well, simply put, it means taking large, highly capable AI models, the exact same kind that power your favorite chatbots, and integrating them into a physical body. It allows the artificial intelligence to interact dynamically with the real world. Think of it like taking a brilliant digital brain and, finally giving it a physical vessel to move around in.
And when you look closely at Galbot's latest platforms, that physical vessel is incredibly sophisticated. It's this brilliant fusion of advanced sensors and 3D perception cameras that act as the robot's eyes, taking in spatial depth and recognizing objects instantly. It's got powerful onboard AI computing hardware to process all that visual data in real time. But honestly, perhaps the most impressive part? It features highly dexterous robotic hands and advanced mobility designed specifically for seamless, safe human collaboration.
This specific anatomy matters because it bridges the gap between digital thought and physical action. It allows the robot to perform incredibly complex, varied tasks. We're talking about picking up random, unstructured household items, organizing messy warehouse shelves, automating complex logistics, and even providing dynamic factory assistance. And it does all of this without breaking a sweat. It's that physical dexterity that makes the artificial intelligence genuinely useful in our messy, three-dimensional world.
But of course, a great body needs a great mind, which brings us to building the robot brain.
Because as we all know, a highly capable body is absolutely nothing without a brilliant brain to command it. Galbot relies on what are known as robot foundation models, specifically VLA or Envision Language Action models. The concept here is a real game changer. The system processes visual sights and spoken words and then translates them directly into physical movements. In practice, this means the robot simply sees a cup on a table, understands your spoken command to grab the cup, and acts autonomously to do it. There's no middleman. There's no human coder sitting in a computer furiously writing a script for how to pick up that specific cup.
And the way these robots actually learn to do this through sim-to-real training is, frankly, absolutely fascinating. It's a precise three-step process. First, they collect massive amounts of data about the environment and the objects in it. Second, the AI enters a virtual simulation. Think of it like the robot brain operating in a dream state. It uses reinforcement learning to practice a task millions of times in a simulated physics environment without ever risking a real-world collision. And finally, step 3, it wakes up and performs that exact action flawlessly in the real world.
Now, let's zoom out a bit and look at the broader global robotics race.
Galbot is certainly not operating in a vacuum. This rapidly expanding industry is incredibly crowded right now, and the stakes literally couldn't be higher. When you map Galbot against the competition, you see Western tech giants like Tesla with their Optimus Bot and Figure AI leveraging massive resources for mass production and generalized AI. Then you have a huge wave of Asian innovators, companies like Agibot, Unitree, and UB Tech pushing heavily on mobility, diverse platforms, and cost efficiency. But Galbot's distinct edge in this crowded market really lies in its highly advanced AI reasoning and precise, dexterous physical manipulation.
The reason this race is so frantic right now is because the underlying paradigm has completely flipped. Traditional robotics, which is rigid, inflexible, and relies entirely on following strict code, well, that's kind of a dead end for general use. It simply can't adapt to the unpredictability of human life. The new gold standard is embodied AI. Competitors across the globe are racing toward adaptable, autonomous decision-making powered by cloud AI and continuous learning.
But here's the real secret. In this global space race against entrenched tech giants, the ultimate winner isn't going to be the company with the shiniest metal. Actually, scratch that. It's not about the hardware at all. It will be decided by one single factor: data. Data is the most valuable asset in modern robotics. Feeding these 3D perception models with high-quality, varied interaction data is what truly builds an autonomous mind capable of navigating our chaotic human world. Ultimately, the robot that experiences the most learns the most.
So, what does this all mean for us? Let's talk about our autonomous future.
Tying all this incredible hardware and software together, where is all this rapid development taking us in the near future? Well, the trajectory is clear, and it is moving fast. Beyond just factory assistance and advanced logistics, Galbot is aiming for a highly cinematic future. We're looking at a world where these intelligent humanoids assist in hands-on healthcare, manage dynamic retail operations, and eventually step right inside our homes to take care of everyday chores and research. The ultimate goal is a completely seamless integration of intelligent machines right into the fabric of daily human life. As we look toward a fast-approaching reality where embodied AI like Galbot becomes just a mundane, everyday part of life, I want to leave you with a provocative thought to ponder. As these machines transition from the factory floor to the living room, are you ready to share your home with an autonomous, thinking robot? Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer, and definitely keep your eyes on this space, because the future is moving fast.